Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm going to take you up Lake Como Road in southern Colorado and show you a little bit around the area, give you an overview of what the hike to Mount Blanca looks like. I plan on doing it this summer, so I wanted to do just a little bit of research. This is just off of Highway 150. There's a little parking lot right there. So the first mile and a half off of 150 is really easy driving. It's just dirt road. The next mile and a half you can drive if you have a 4x4, otherwise you're going to have to hike it. The 4 miles after that goes up to Lake Como, and then the next 3 miles will get you to the Blanca Peak. So the total distance is based on where you start at. You're either looking at a 17-mile round trip distance or 14.25 miles. I plan on hiking or camping at Lake Como to make a 2 or 3 day trek out of it. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of footage with my drone so you can see what the area looks like. I'm going to play a little music in the background. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.